Right, question 12. Now, think about what you're told here. We're told this information just here, that it reaches its maximum height at 90. So if you think about like when we complete the square, then when we're trying to look for the turning point, we always go with this idea here because we're looking for when this bit here is going to be 0. So it's got to take this form here. So I've got to have x minus 90 squared, and then that's going to be multiplied by something and plus something. This question looks a lot harder than it really is. All I've got to do is I've got to sub in 0, 3, because I'm told that's a point on the line. And if I sub that in there, that gives me 3 equals 8100 a plus b. So b equals 3 minus 8100 a. And also, I'm told this other point, I need to be told something else there. So sub in 120, 27. That's the other point it tells me. So if I do that, then that gives me 900a plus b equals 27. So b equals 27, take away 900a. So now I can say that one's equal to that one. So, and then if I work that through, again, I'm going to just jump a little bit there. I'm going to work out a is minus 1 over 300 just by equating these two things here, and then it's just simultaneous equations, and then b equals 30. Okay, so I've got these two, so let's just rewrite what we've got just up here. So height equals minus 1 over 300, and then x take away 90 squared, and then plus 30. That's the answer to part A. Now, part B, the maximum vertical height of the ball above the ground. So just sub in x equals 90, and you'll find out that the height is equal to 30 meters. And part 2, the horizontal distance travelled. So in other words, what you're looking for is when it's equal to 0. When is this going to be 0? So what you've got to do is it's just solving a quadratic, not a particularly nice quadratic to solve, just because the minus 1 over 300, but you should be able to sort that out. And plus 30. So if you work that through, right, like I said, it's just a quadratic to solve, right? I'm not going to do that bit for you. Then you'll get two solutions. You'll get equals 185, x also equals minus 5 meters. Well, x can't be minus 5 meters, so that's not correct. So it must be that answer just there. And then the last part, it says the possible effects of wind or air resistance are two limitations of the model. Give one other limitation of the model. There's a number of things that you could write here. You could write, well, maybe there's uneven ground, possibly. Easiest thing to write down is that the ball is not a particle.